right, so the second half of the video is actually being shot with the OnePlus Nord N10 5G, and trying to show my point that, you know, for long periods of vlogging, for some reason there's this weird thing that happens with the camera, and it starts to freeze up and it kind of locks out. Ooh, my kids are loud. But it starts to kind of lock up just a little bit, especially, you know, like with the focus and everything like that. I noticed that just a little bit, and also just this kind of weird thing that happens. So when shooting in 30 frames per second with the OnePlus Nord N10 5G, with the rear camera, it's illuminated, it's bright enough to see. This is the selfie cam, by the way, which I also found something weird right now. Green tint is actually happening with this video. But on the other side of it, it's actually bright and able to be seen. Like, you know, you see the stuff, almost as if like night sight is on. I don't know if you guys saw that. That froze right now. But when you put it in 60 frames per second, it goes dark, real dark. And that's something that I find to be very, very annoying when it comes to video recording, because it should remain in the same optics whether you're in 60 frame or 30 frame. Yeah, so I was saying with the OnePlus N10, those issues are really like just, I don't know, some people that might be interested in this phone gotta know about them. I just think that's just totally weird, where you record video from the rear camera at 30 frames per second and it's nice and bright and vivid, but you record it in 60 frames per second and it just darkens up like there's no night sight or any of that stuff. It's just really weird that it does that. Right now I'm shooting with the selfie cam, and with the focus and everything, it starts to make the video freeze, which you guys will see in various parts of these clips. So, but other things to kind of talk about when it comes to the camera with the OnePlus Nord N10 5G, it doesn't do well with motion. I have a couple of photo samples right now that's about to pop up, and you're gonna see that with moving subjects, it blurs out really bad. So you can't capture the, what would you call it, babe? Not center attention, but the center subject. You can't capture the center subject in motion. If they even slightly move, they turn into a blur. If they're running, they turn into a ghost. And right now, here's another optic issue, going under light like that, and it just completely blew out the video. So these are some of the things that I think that people might want to know about when it comes to the cameras. Bless you. Other than that, if you have a still subject, the cameras are pretty good to a degree. If you have a still subject, you know, you'll get a good photo. If you're just shooting like, you know, the sunset or something like that, you'll get a good photo with the phone. But other than that, if the subject of your shot is going to be moving, it's going to blur out with this phone. So that's something I think that a lot of y'all need to know. And of course, it doesn't handle well with light shifting, as y'all saw, going under a light in a certain angle, and it blew it out. And I just glitched again. Anyways, guys, that's it for this vlog. Let me know what y'all think in the comment section of the video. Smash that like button if you guys enjoyed the video, and if you have not subscribed, what the fudge are you waiting for? Subscribe, turn on notifications so you don't miss a video upload or a live stream. Thanks for checking out this vlog, and I'll see you on the next one. As always, peace.